Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to change the thermostat on my 2012 Ford Mustang. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be changing out the thermostat on my 2012 Ford Mustang. Now this is the 3.7 liter V6. It's ridiculously windy today, so we'll see if this audio turns out. Alright, this is the 3.7 liter V6, and right under here is where the thermostat housing is. There are two bolts that hold this on. It is under this little air intake, so I do need to get that out of the way so I can have easier access to this. First thing I'm going to do is actually climb underneath. There's a little plastic drain plug on the radiator, and I'm going to let the coolant out of the vehicle. Alright, now with this loosened up here, and this side loosened up here, just lift this out of the way. I'll set it up there, and here you go. That's going to be super easy to get to that thermostat housing now. Alright, and that is an 8mm socket. I'll use a little screwdriver to pull that out with. Some of the coolant really drips out of this top part here. Alright, and then here's the new thermostat. That just slides in there. Housing on this is going to be possible to film. I gotta get that funnel out of there. Alright, now the new thermostat can go in, and I'll put the housing on here, and that just needs to be bolted back in. Alright, that's in there nice and tight. Now I just need to put this air intake back here and back here. And I just need to screw down these hose clamps. There's one over here as well. I can't see it, but there's a couple of hose clamps. There's one here, one on this end. I'll get these screwed down, and then this will be ready to refill some coolant in here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.